Hi, my name is Dr. Donna Pulowski, and I want to tell you a little about my practice here in Greenville. I do a very low-force bunch of techniques that the body seems to assimilate very easily. There's no muscle spasms, there's no twisting, turning, popping, snapping, and that's much gentler on the body, and from young children to seniors, as well as athletes and moms and everyone in between seems to really accept this type of adjustment very easily. I've had a lot of success with it, and people are relieved of pain quicker and easier because there's no muscle spasms. And I think that patients have shown that they hold their adjustments a little quicker and definitely easier, much less trauma on the body. So visit me at chiropractorsgreenville.com.